So friends, right now we are at Piazza Vittorio. It's a big place. All the roads are busy. It's fabulous. Cars are everywhere. There's the palace of government where the leaders sit down, and here a lot of people come to enjoy the weather, do walks. The roads are other things go, and that's the road is all busy. On the sides are some bench where people sit down. The weather is cool. I'm also here, so I said let's show you some. They do special events here. They do parades here. They do protest here because there is the government house, and you can see how big is the palace. It's right there is the Natural History Museum, which we will go and explore. So friends, right now we are at the entrance of the Natural History Museum, Bucharest, Romania. Inside this museum are different things, like where the life began to start. And there are arboreal animals and skeleton of them, the skeleton of dinosaurs, small creatures, and how the babies are grown, how the life began, how humans made, passage of time, and which cultures were there, and which creatures, and what were their functions, where they used to live. And if I tell you that there was one scientist who used to do research inside of this museum, and because of him we know that which animal is there today in life. Let's go inside, explore it, and have some fun. Come, let's go. Look, that's the entrance, and there are some big posters. Let's go. So let's open the door and go inside. So friends, right now we have entered the Natural History Museum, Bucharest. Now let's go inside and explore it. Look, you can see here is a big screen on a side which shows some information. Japanu, it's written in the Romanian language and English language. So let's explore the natural. Look, friends, you can see the peacock skeleton. It's real. Look at the peacock skeleton. It's real. You can see how the peacock is. It's totally like when it's up in them. So guys, I don't want to leave this thing. I want to make it. I want to show you. Look, the kids' favorite things: lion, giraffes, cheetah. And look at them, comment about the moon and more other, and where animals lives in which country and which continent. So this was all. So this was all. Thank you. And so much more. Look on the side. There are North America's animals which are kids famous. North America animals. Friends, look. Here is a big skeleton of the dinosaur. I think so, the world's biggest dinosaur. I think so, that's the baby dinosaur, and that's the big dinosaur. Look, here are Africa's animals. Look, this museum is like this. Like if somebody gets tired, they can take these chairs with them. Like these are for bigs. They can open this, sit down like this if they are tired, and there are red chairs for the kids. These animals belong to the Sahara Desert, and these will belong to Savannah Desert. So look at this Savannah Desert. So let's go. Look at these huge animals. So friends, look at this huge animal. I think this animal is turtle, and it lives in Antarctica. There is here some European animal which belong to Europe. Here is some fox, caterpillar, birds. This is all. And on side is some Peria. Side is some other continent animals. And on side there are some other. Here are some ovals, different types of ovals. Deers, cows, and more other. Look, you can see here is a big screen on a side which shows some information. Japanu, it's written in the Romanian language and English language. So let's explore the natural. Look, friends, you can see the peacock skeleton. So it's a baby peacock, and that's a big peacock. Come. Look at that. Look, friends. This is the human body, that how a baby grows inside the mother tummy. Look, here they have given a mini screen where you can press anything, where you can get the information of this thing. And like, this is the head, this is the head, this is another part of the body, and this is another part of the body. Look, I think so that's our original heart. I think so these are our hearts. Look, they have opened the body of the humans and then they have shown it. And look at here, the same they have again shown. Now we can keep going. Here are some boards on the side with some information. Look, here are more body parts. Let's look, friends, that's the original brain. Can you believe that? This is the original brain. Which about the scientists which I told in the start, that scientists take out the brain and did research on this brain. That's our heart, I think so. Take heart. And that's the original brain, friends. Imagine that's the original brain. This is our body. This is our body, and I think so that's the original human hand. And look again, once there is our skeleton. It's the original skeleton. It looks like a little bit fake, but in real it's original because it does not have so much power. So that's why they put inside steel rings so it can stay stable. Look, here are some cultures in which people are going on the deers, taking them for some hunting or food for eating. Oh, now, friends, which Egypt you see in videos. This is the fossil of the Egypt. When they bury them, they cover them properly, put them inside the grave, and in their pyramids. Then this is the original one. Look, this is the original mummy. Look, here they have put a scan of the mummy. They have shown the inner look. You can see there are small lines that are the bones of the mummy. Here is a man on old times, very old times, kayak, sitting inside, putting his leg like this. In the old time, people used to make these types of ship and holes like this. People used to put their legs long, sit down and take these swords and used to beat for catching the fish. These are like warriors, how they used to fight in past. This is a mummy standing. Somebody have put them in there. They have catchen this mummy with their kids. And you can also see they are without clothes. In the old time there used to be a lot of clothes, so people used to make on their own clothes with leaves. Can you imagine? With leaves it's so hard to stay. Let's go forward. There are some special swords. Look, this is a special Indonesian sword. Look at these special Indonesian sword. There is a girl standing and with some baby. Let's go further and explore more. This is called the Homo sapien. This was how the human grown by passage of time. First, the humans used to look like this. You can see how they used to look. Look, their hands, they were just like totally like a monkey. Then again they got good. Then again they started to look at their face, they are starting to look like a human. Then they became a proper human at the end. This is a Homo sapien. This is a old time that a skeleton which is inside of this man body. So let's explore forward. Oh friends, right now I think so we have entered the animal area where are special animals. Do you see this big deer? This is a big deer on which the special scientists done research. Look at up. There are also up some animals on which there are. Look, here is a pig. Wild boar, wild pig. This is I think so, this is a 1758 pig, which was in 1758, I think so. Look, so many different deers, big, so much hidden research on look cow, wolves, so much. Let's go for it. Look at this big deer. Here is more insect. I think so that's the white lizard. I think so. He has done. I think so. Oh, I have told about this insect in my video. Don't forget to watch my video about strange animals. I have told about this animal. You will get full everything. You will get full. Oh, look at this. Look at the baby. Look at these babies. Look at these babies. I think so these are monkeys babies which are growing. I think so these are some hearts. Now look at these animal skeleton. They are original. They are totally not fake. Look, you can see they are made white. So in real they are original, friends. Come, let's go. Here are some bees. I think so this is some bees thing. I think so these are some bees inside it. And here is any scientist who is telling about on the screen about some animals and things. Come, look more here. And look at the insects are here. Look, there are some insects here. Okay, I can tell you about some insects. Okay, this is a special insect which is in Europe. This now, I think so you all have been waiting for a very important thing. I know that it's your favorite. The dinosaur, it's your favorite, and everybody knows about the dinosaur. How are the skeletons? But still, I can show you. I don't know the name of the dinosaur, but it's looking like I know. Look at the fossils of these dinosaurs. They're the original fossils in vacuum. Look at this. This is the original tail of the dinosaur and original skeleton of the dinosaur. I can't believe it how the scientists did this and found so many things. Look at this. Friends, the thing you have been waiting for. Look at this. This is our original solar system. Look at it, and I have some very favorite thing for you. I have the original stones of the moon, Jupiter, planet. Come, let's explore. Come. Look at this special stones. These are special diamonds. Here, let's go. This is the crystal. These are cluster golds, diamonds. Friends, these are different type of very special stones. Look, friends, this is I think so crystal here. So let's go keep for. Look, I think so here are some diamonds, the most valuable rubies, diamonds. Look at that huge diamond. They say diamond only is it original white diamond which you see in movies. So friends, look, this is the scientist who made this museum and did all the research. Look at the scientist. His name is Dr. Georgi Antipa. He was born in 1867 and died in 1944. Look on your side, friends. That's the original table where the scientist used to do research, and that's his personal desk where the different things he used to do research. Look at some of his special photos. When the government think that let's make a museum on him. So when they came and entered, this was the thing on which he used to sit down, do the research, and this is his look. Georgi Antipa. So everybody can get to know that this is my book. Nobody should destroy it. These are his one of most special books here. And you saw something on the side of his table. Here are some crocodiles, like cockroaches or crocodiles. Here are some things that he used to sit down and do research on these things. So he used to do research on these things. And also, these are his special books and some pictures about him. These are big skeleton of types of fishes. Did you notice something, guys? Look at the ceiling. Now think, I'm taking a question from you. Now think, what's that up or hanging on the ceiling? I can tell you that's a huge skeleton of the whale, the biggest fish of the world. So friends, I think so you all learned a lot with me. So keep stayed connected with me. I think so you learned about insects, animals, humans, our solar system, and about the moon and more other. So this was all. Thank you.